At first, select the text which you want to make it 2 column or 3 column. So I'm going to select the first paragraph and then go to the format. Just click there, a menu will be appeared. From there, move your mouse to columns and then you'll find 1 column, 2 column or 3 column. Suppose I want to make it 2 column. I just click there and the text block, it is divided into 2 columns. To add a line between the columns, go format, then columns, more options, and then choose this checkbox, line between columns. And if you want to decrease the space, you can also make the space decreased like 0.1 between the columns and then click apply. And we are seeing that a line added. And if you want to make it 1 column again, just go to their format, columns and 1 column. It will make 1 column. Similarly, you can also make 3 column like format, columns and choose the 3 column and it will divide into 3 columns. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.